A tonneau cover might seem like a simple add-on, but it does a lot more than just cover your truck bed. It keeps your gear protected from weather, adds security, reduces drive on the highway, and can even boost fuel efficiency over time. But with so many different types, materials, and brands out there, narrowing down the right one can be frustrating. In this video, we've rounded up the 6 best tonneau covers for 2025, chosen for durability, ease of use, and real-world practicality. Whether you want a retractable lid or a foldable hard shell, we've got solid options. Number 6. Retrax PowertraxPRO XR. If you're looking for a tonneau cover that combines high-end durability with remote-controlled convenience, the Retrax PowertraxPRO XR is worth a closer look. It's designed for serious truck owners, especially those who carry bikes, gear, or rooftop racks, and want quick motorized access to their bed. The cover is built from industrial-strength aluminum slats and coated in a matte black powder finish that holds up well against scratches, UV rays, and rough weather. The electric retraction system is powered by a key fob, allowing you to open or close the cover with a button. You can stop at any position along the rails, which gives you full control depending on your cargo size. It supports up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight on top, and the standout feature here is the XR series rail system. It's compatible with most T-slot rack accessories from Tacoma or Thule, which means you can mount a bike rack, cargo basket, or kayak carrier directly above the bed while keeping it protected underneath. Water management is handled by built-in drain tubes and full perimeter seals to keep your tools or gear dry even in heavy rain. The low-profile design gives your truck a cleaner look and reduces wind drag while driving. Keep in mind the premium features come at a high price, and since it's power-operated, installation does require wiring into your truck's battery. Still, if you want top-tier utility with tech-focused convenience, the PowertraxPRO XR is a strong contender, especially for outdoor-focused setups. Number 5. UnderCover SE. If you want a hard tonneau cover that's simple, solid, and doesn't require much upkeep, the UnderCover SE is a dependable pick. This one-piece design focuses on durability without adding a ton of weight, making it a practical choice for everyday truck owners who want protection without hassle. The cover is made from ABS composite, which is known for being both lightweight and impact-resistant. What gives it added strength is the brand's proprietary X-Effect design molded into the underside. This reinforcement pattern prevents flexing and keeps the cover rigid even under moderate pressure or shifting temperatures. Weighing it at under 70 pounds, it's light enough for one person to open and close without a struggle. The twist latch locking mechanism is located at the center and secures the cover down at both ends, so your cargo stays protected. Once locked, it's secure and won't budge unless you unlock it with the included key. Installation is fairly quick thanks to the clamp-on design, no drilling required. It fits flush with the bed rails and includes a full perimeter weather seal that keeps water, dust, and debris out during tough conditions. The aerodynamic shape also helps reduce drive on the highway. Some things to consider: because it's a one-piece lid, you want a folding access to different sections of the bed. If you need full access, you'll have to remove the whole cover. That makes it less ideal for people who regularly haul oversized items. But for anyone who needs a secure, stylish, and low-maintenance solution for daily driving or work use, the UnderCover SE delivers on all the basics without adding bulk or complexity. Number 4. Extang SolidFold ALX. If you're after a hard-folding cover that gives you quick access without fussing with tailgate latches or complicated handles, the Extang SolidFold ALX is designed to keep things simple. It's made for truck owners who want secure coverage and fast operation, especially when you're in and out of the bed frequently. The panels are crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum and finished in matte black, offering a nice balance of strength and a clean, understated look. It uses a tri-fold design with 3 large sections that fold toward the cab and give you full bed access when needed. What makes this cover stand out is its rotary release system. Just turn the latch near the tailgate with one hand and the panel unlocks smoothly. When closing, it automatically latches into place. No extra steps required. The mechanism is intuitive and saves time, especially if your hands are full. The cover installs using a simple clamp-on setup. No tools or drilling needed, and the whole process can be done in just a few minutes. Around the perimeter, a multi-fin sealing system helps block out water, snow, and road dust, keeping your cargo clean and dry. It's a solid performer overall, but there are a couple of limitations to keep in mind. The ALX isn't compatible with many aftermarket bed rails or rack systems, and when folded, it sits higher than some other tri-fold covers, which could limit rear visibility. Still, if you want a secure, no-nonsense folding cover that opens in seconds and holds up well in all seasons, the SolidFold ALX is a smart pick. Number 3. Backflip MX4. The Backflip MX4 is often considered the go-to choice for truck owners who want a premium hard-folding cover that balances durability, function, and appearance. If you're using your truck bed regularly but still care about how it looks, this one offers that middle ground between rugged and refined. It features heavy-duty aluminum panels with a sleek matte black finish that's UV-resistant and scratch-resistant. The matte texture also helps reduce visible fingerprints and wear, keeping the cover looking clean even after frequent use. It's rated to handle up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight on top, which adds to its utility when hauling ladders, gear, or other equipment. The tri-fold design allows each panel to fold up easily toward the cab, and built-in prop rods keep it upright when you need full bed access. One nice feature is that you can open and close the tailgate whether the cover is up or down, which adds to its day-to-day convenience. For sealing, the MX4 uses EPDM rubber along the edges and integrated drain tubes to divert rainwater out of the bed area. It's not completely waterproof, but it's well sealed for most weather conditions. There are a couple of trade-offs to note. The prop rods used to hold the panels upright can limit your rear visibility when the cover is fully open, and the MX4 sits at a higher price point compared to many other folding options. Still, with its combination of security, ease of use, and a polished finish, the Backflip MX4 holds its place as one of the best all-around hard-folding covers for 2025. Number 2. Gator EFX. If you want the protection and durability of a hard tri-fold tonneau cover without the high price tag, the Gator EFX delivers solid performance at a more budget-friendly cost. It's a practical option for truck owners who need dependable coverage without the added bells and whistles. The panels are made from aluminum and finished with a black powder-coated texture that adds grip and resists scratches. It feels solid and rugged right out of the box, and the overall build gives off more of a premium vibe than you'd expect at this price. Weather protection is a strong suit here. The Gator EFX uses integrated rubber seals and built-in drain tubes to help direct rainwater away from your bed. The cover also overlaps the tailgate, providing a more complete seal to keep out dust, water, and debris, especially in rougher driving conditions. Installation is simple and tool-free, with clamp-on rails that make it easy to attach or remove. When it comes to bed access, the tri-fold design allows for about 2/3 of the bed to be open when folded. Prop rods hold the cover in place while driving, but unlike some higher-end models, it doesn't fold fully against the cab. That limited folding range could be an issue if you frequently haul tall items, and the prop rods can also get in the way in certain situations. Still, for most everyday uses, groceries, gear, tools, the Gator EFX holds up well. Overall, it's a smart choice if you're after a sturdy, secure, and weather-resistant tonneau cover that keeps costs in check without cutting too many corners. Number 1. Backflip G2. If you're looking for a time-tested, dependable hard-folding cover that checks all the right boxes, the Backflip G2 stands out as one of the most trusted names in the tonneau world. It's built for truck owners who want reliability, ease of use, and full bed access, all in one solid package. The cover is constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum panels with a glossy black powder-coated finish. It's designed to support up to 300 pounds of evenly distributed weight, which is more than enough for basic hauling or stacking lightweight gear on top when needed. While the finish looks sleek, it's a bit more prone to surface scratches compared to matte options like the MX4. One of the G2's standout features is its folding mechanism. The tri-fold panels open smoothly and can fold all the way up against the cab, giving you full access to the bed. Prop rods hold the cover upright securely, and the automatic latching system keeps each section locked in place without needing extra steps. You can also operate the tailgate independently, which means you don't have to open the cover first to access your bed, something that's convenient during daily use. Built-in drainage channels along the rails help divert rainwater away, keeping your gear protected even in harsh conditions. Installation is quick and tool-free using the provided clamps, and it's compatible with most standard and spray and bed liners. While it doesn't have the ultra-low profile of higher-end models and the glossy finish may show wear more easily, the Backflip G2 delivers strong overall value. For a cover that's easy to live with and built to last, it's no surprise this one tops the list. The best tonneau cover really comes down to how you use your truck. Whether you're hauling tools every day, heading out on weekend road trips, or just want to keep your gear dry and secure, there's an option here that fits your needs. Think about what matters most: ease of access, weather protection, added cargo space, and choose the cover that lines up with your priorities. We've included links to all the covers mentioned in the description below. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Let us know which one you're considering in the comments, and subscribe for more truck gear picks.